What's up? I hope you're doing really good today. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the best tips and tricks for your Apple AirPods.
Hey there, my name's Sergio with Surge Tech, and in this channel I do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so now. Hit the bell to receive notifications on my future videos. There's going to be links to all the information that I talk about in this video down below in the description. All right, let's get right to the video now.
So in this video, I'm going to be going over some of the best tips and tricks for your AirPods. Doesn't matter if it's AirPods Pro or if it's just their first gen or the second generation. Just be aware that the first tips and tricks are going to be for the AirPods Pro, and then the rest are going to be available for every single generation of AirPods. So let's begin. So the first one we're going to do is going to be how to change to transparency mode. The new AirPods Pro come with a new option that is called transparency mode, and it's basically going to let the outside noise into your ears. And all you're going to have to do is go to your control center, as where I am right now, long press on the volume right here, and you're going to have the options to go to noise cancellation or go to transparency. And the next tip and trick for your AirPods Pro is going to be how to use the force sensor. The AirPods Pro come with a new sensor that you can see right here, that when you do a single press, it's going to pause or play the music. When you double press it, it's going to skip it, and when you triple press it, it's going to take you to the previous track. Let's try it out right now. I have one on my ears, so I go one press, it stops the music and it also plays the music. I double press and it's going to skip the track, and when I triple press, it's going to take me to the last one, as you just saw right now. And with the new force sensor, you can also long press and switch between the noise cancellation and your transparency mode, or just in the off section, which is right in the middle. As you can see right now, it's in off, but now I'm going to long press the sensor and it automatically switches to transparency. You can also change the action on the force sensor by just going to your settings. You're gonna head to Bluetooth and go to your AirPods eye. Once you're in there, you're gonna see press and hold AirPods, and then you'll see when you do the left side, and you can just select a bunch of options right here. You have noise control and Siri for the long press, same for the right side. Another really cool trick right here on the same menu is gonna be the ear tip fit test. Basically, when you do it, it's gonna run a test on whatever rubber you're using for your AirPods and tell you which size should be better for you. And all of that just to ensure a good audio quality and good noise cancellation. So just press continue and you start the test. You can also change the speed on the features for your AirPods Pro by just going all the way down to accessibility, and once you're there, you're going to go to AirPods, and here you're going to see the press speed and press and hold duration. If you feel like it's too fast or maybe too slow, you just change it, or you can just have it default. And right here in this same menu, you're going to have the noise cancellation with one AirPod only. Basically, when you have your AirPods on, you're not able to use noise cancellation unless you activate this option right here. So you just activate it and you will be able to use the noise cancellation with only one AirPod. Now I'm going to tell you what the status light means. When you have a green light on your case, it means that your charging case has more than one full charge. But if you have an amber light, which is basically a little orange light, it means that you have less than one charge. And if you have the blinking white light, it means that your AirPods are ready to connect to a new device. And you can also pair your AirPods Pro with another device by just long pressing the back button of the case. As you can see right here, you just long press it and you go to the Bluetooth menu to whatever device you have, and here is going to appear in the options AirPods Pro. But beware that not all the functions are going to work, since the AirPods were made for iPhone. So maybe the skip music, pause music, or play music are not going to work on the phone. Let's say that you have your AirPods on and you want to listen to whatever is happening somewhere else. You're going to have the live listen option, which basically is going to look like this. So if I leave my phone somewhere else and I just use my AirPods, I'm going to listen to whatever sound the microphone on my phone is getting. So I'm able to listen when I'm not in a room by just leaving my phone and wearing my AirPods. And you can activate it by just going to your settings. You're going to head to control center right here, customize controls, and go all the way down to where it says hearing. Once you activate it and press the green plus sign, you're going to see it on your control center. You just have to wear your AirPods and you're going to see here hearing, and it's going to tell you live listen on. Also, if you happen to lose your AirPods in your house or whatever, you just have to go to the Find My app, Find My, and once you're there in Find My, it's going to give you all the locations of the Apple devices that you have. And if you can't find them, you can just select Play Sound. And that's the sound that your iPhone is going to play so you can find your AirPods. You can also do a quick battery check on your AirPods by just swiping to the right and going to this menu right here. You go all the way down to your batteries and you can see the battery in your phone, on the case, and also on the AirPods. And also you can manually connect or disconnect your AirPods by just going to the control center, going to the music, and then AirPlay. And here you're going to select the AirPods. If you don't want to use them, you select them or select iPhone, either or is fine, and that way it's going to deactivate and turn off the AirPods and the sound is going to automatically come out of the phone. If you want it to come into the AirPods, you can just press on them and that's going to make it work automatically. You can also improve the sound on your AirPods by just going to the settings. You're going to go all the way down to where it says music, and once you're in music, you're going to go to EQ, and you can either select for any style of music that you're going to listen to. You can select the volume limit. For example, if you have your volume limit up to this point and then you wear your AirPods, it doesn't matter how much you try to turn up the volume, it's only going to work up to where it says max volume. If I want it up to here, I will get full volume. And you can also enable or disable the sound check, which is also a very useful feature. And right here in settings, you can also rename your AirPods by just going to Bluetooth, going to your AirPods to the eye, and you can just press where it says name and put whatever name you want. And you can also make your phone to announce the calls on your phone by just going to your setting. You go all the way down to where it says phone, and once you're there, you're going to go to the option that is going to say announce calls. It's going to be up here. You go there and you can select if you want it to happen always when you have your headphones in the car or headphones only. You can also activate automatic ear detection, and basically this is gonna play whatever you were listening to automatically whenever you wear your AirPod. For example, if I'm listening to this song, as soon as I put this AirPods on, it's gonna play automatically, as you can see. And that happens because of automatic ear detection. And to activate it, you just have to go to the settings, you have to go to Bluetooth, to the eye on your device, and then activate automatic ear detection down here. And you can also activate Siri by just saying, "Hey Siri." As you just saw right now, you no longer have to press the AirPod. All you're gonna have to do is say, "Hey Siri." Next up, we're gonna have this amazing feature called Announce Messages with Siri. Your new AirPods Pro will let you announce the messages with Siri without you having to say, "Hey Siri, can you read my messages?" If I activate it, Siri is gonna automatically read my messages through my AirPods without me having to ask her to do so. To get to the settings, all you have to do is go to your settings, you're gonna go to notifications, and once you're there, you're gonna go to announce messages with Siri. Once you're there, you either activate it or deactivate it, and then you select if you want it to be only from contacts, favorites, recents, or just everyone in your phone. And last but not least, you can also share your audio with two different pair of AirPods. All you're gonna have to do is go to your AirPlay, and once you're there, it's gonna give you the option to share the audio, as you can see, and it's gonna tell you to bring another pair of headphones or iPhone they're connected to close to this iPhone. So you just bring whatever device or AirPod and it's gonna automatically start sharing the audio. So that was it on the tips and tricks for your Apple AirPods. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a like, and don't forget to leave a comment down below on which trick was your favorite. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get a notification whenever we upload a new video. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.